Good morning, children. I am Vaishali Madam. Welcome to your English grammar class. Let us begin with lesson number 4, negative sentences. So now let us read. I am on page number 8. A says that a sentence having not or no in it is called a negative sentence. What do you understand? A sentence that has not or no is a negative sentence. Now let us compare the two sentences. In exercise B, it is said that compare the following sentences. I am sad, and it becomes negative when it is written as I am not sad. Number 2 is we are tired, we are not tired. Not becomes negative then. He is a liar, he is not a liar. The money was enough, the money was not enough. They were ready, they were not ready. So now what is written? When the verb is some form of be, that is, MR, was, where, we put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. Understood? Yes. So now coming to C. Now compare these sentences. He has some money, he has no money. She had a beautiful dress, she had no beautiful dress. We have a holiday today, we have no holiday today. So now again, what is written? When the verb is have, has or had, we use no to make sentence negative. So now see the difference that you have understood. In the first A, it is given that when the verb is, MR, was, where, we put not to make the sentence negative. And in the second, that is C, when the verb is have, has and had, we put and no to make the sentence negative. Now coming to exercise D. Compare the following sentences. She is keeping, she is not keeping. They have arrived, they have not arrived. He has got an umbrella, he has not got an umbrella. Neelu can run fast, Neelu cannot run fast. He will leave today, he will not leave today. Now what is written? When the verb is made up of two or more words, when the verb has more than one word, okay, we put not. See here, although it is have, but we have used not because have arrived. The whole verb is have arrived. It has more than one word. Similarly, is, then has, again has, we are supposed to use no, but then has got is there, so we are writing not to page number 9. Compare these sentences. Close the window, do not or don't close the windows. Leave the room, do not or don't leave the room. Sit down, do not or don't sit down. See, all the sentences are command sentences that we have learnt in the previous lesson. Now to make a command sentence negative, we put do not, that is don't, in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so now this box is very important. Formation of negatives. Is, MR, was, where. For that we are going to use not after the verb. Then has, have, had. What we are going to do? Have, has, had. After that we are going to use no. Then the third point is verb made up of two or more words, not after the first verb. So within the two verbs, two different words in the of the verb, we are going to use not. And then in the command sentences, we are just going to use do not or don't. So I hope you are clear. So now let us begin with the exercise. Okay children, now let us begin with our exercise. Make the following sentences negative. So first we have to identify what is the verb in the sentence. Now the first sentence is his memory is sharp. So what is the verb? Yes, is. So what are you going to do? What have we learnt? Is, MR, was, where. What are you going to use? NOT, not, right? So how are we going to write? His memory is, then not sharp. Are you understanding? Because the verb is we are going to use not. That is what we have learned in B. Now coming to number 2. Always we have to find out what is the verb, and then only we can proceed with making it negative sentence. He has revised his lessons thoroughly. So what is the verb? Has revised. So again there are 2 verbs. So what have we learned? If there are more than one verb, has, got, have, or in this case we are going to use not, right? So here also we will write he has not revised his lessons thoroughly. Right? Then coming to the next. I am satisfied with your work. So, am satisfied. So, what are we going to write? I am not satisfied with your work. So, coming to the next. Water these plants daily. So, what kind of sentence is this? Command. This is a command sentence. So, in command sentence, what are we going to do? We are just going to use do not or don't. So, what are we going to write? Do not water these plants daily. Which plants don't need watering daily? Yes, cactus, the one that grows in deserts. Now coming to 5th, we can stand here and talk. So what is the verb? Can stand. So how are we going to write? We cannot stand here and talk. Write fast. So again this is a command. So what are you going to write? Yes, similar to 4th sentence. So what you will write? Try it on your own. I will show you the answer afterwards. It is similar to 4th sentence. It is a command sentence. Number 7. Mr. Mehra is feeling comfortable today. What is the verb? Is feeling. So what is going to come? Mr. Mehra is not feeling, right? Mr. is not feeling today. Today there is no space, so I will write here just down. Then number 8. This school has got an RO water plant. So what is the verb? Has. So what has got? So what are we going to do? This school has not got an RO water plant. You know whether your school has got an RO water plant or not? Yes, our school has an RO water plant. Okay. I had kept those toffees for you. Had kept. Somebody has kept toffees for you. I had not kept those for you. And the last one. These questions are difficult. So, are. So, what are you going to use with are? Not. So, here these are not not? Understood? Yes. Is it clear?